This is Chris, the Dive Service. We're at the Lab Yacht Center on the Secter Egret. It's 10:05:22. We're here to inspect the ladder and the zeeks. So there is that bolt that's rusting. You can see all the rest. And then if you go top side, yeah, it's kind of rusted out right there. So as far as zeeks, it has one die plate. I don't know the size of it, but it's pretty big. There are no shaft zeeks on this, no rudder zeeks, but let's go take a look. Inches, and it does have a bow thruster or stern thruster zeek, and that plate, that's all the zeeks on this boat.